this time. We want to narrate it. Any delays in the strategy.
badudi ba Kliptown ba re ke kgale ba eme ba ikanne gore ba tlo ya mebileng go dira ditshupetso ge projeke ye ya go ba segela ditsha e ka diega.
Colleagues, we have taken that responsibility as the government of local unity, and I've taken that responsibility. Yoguchi ayizukuphela le term kungena movement eCliptown, and hence we are here today. So I know ukuthi our community members have been frustrated by the slow pace in terms of service delivery and the provision of houses.
Ba tshepisitse gore projeke ye ya dimilione di le 28 tsa diranta e ya go netefatsa gore ditirelo tsa go tshwana le motlakase di a abiwa.
Ultimately, we want to provide title deed. Those people who are residents, it will line with our policy USP, receiving the title deed. The whole objective is to achieve the title deed.
Go boletswe gape ge bao ba ipeileng dintlong tsa di-RDP ka ntle le molao ba ile go ntshiwa gape le go lebagana le letsogo la molao.